Hi everybody, this is Yusuf. Welcome to my show. And tonight I'm going to show you how to make cutlet, which is one of the very old-fashioned Iranian Persian food, and it's very delicious if you make it right way. And I'm showing you the ingredients. Started with the meat and potato, onion, and spices as turmeric, black pepper, little bit of the garlic powder, and a hot pepper or chili, and some salt, which these are actually is about 1 teaspoon, all these things, and these are just like 1/4 of the teaspoon, and some bread crumb, which is about like a little bit less than a cup, and little bit saffron to make it just aromatic and make it looks better and more delicious. So what I have to do is just mix these all ingredients together. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just grate this one, onion and potato, and I'm showing after I'm doing it, I show you how to make it. Also, we might need 1 or 2 eggs, which I'm gonna add it to these ingredients, and which I forgot about that, but I'm gonna add it. Okay, let me come back after I'm just done with this potato and onion. Okay, as you see, I grate both onion and potato, but there, as you might see here, there is lots of liquid coming out of it, and I have to drain that. I did already on the onion. I'm gonna do this one, then we mix all these things together. Just give me a second. I drain the juice out of it. As I said, we're gonna mix all the ingredients together, and I'm gonna show you by just adding the meat. The meat is just like this is very lean. Actually, it's like a 5%. So you can go up to 25% if you want to. I'll make it very lean, and add the rest of the ingredients also on this one. Okay, it goes in there. Okay, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and just mix them all together with my hand. So if you don't like it, you can wear gloves or some other way you want to mix these things, is up to you. But to me, hand does everything. Okay, we're trying to do as much as we can. Just put them everything together, all the spices, all the ingredients to just mix to each other, and then I'm gonna add the egg and breadcrumb. The egg, the reason that is egg, because it makes it a little bit puffy and also make it tender and make it stick together better. Now it's the time to put the saffron also, and with the breadcrumb. Now I'm gonna put 1 egg to see how the result's gonna be. If it needed more, then I'm gonna put another one. So we try with the 1 egg first. Now, as you see, my mixture is ready. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it aside for about like 15 to 20 minutes to just all the spices get together and all the ingredients mix as the aroma comes to also out, and then I start to frying it up, and I show you how to do that. Okay, we are ready. It's time for just frying our ingredients. I just mixture, and I just put a high heat on a pan with the enough oil, which I prefer grape seeds oil, and any vegetable oil would do it, and just let it sit till it gets really hot, like around like a 400 degrees or so. And then the way that I'm just going to make this one, I'll show you. Just take a little bit of this. It's just about like a big size of the meatball. Then working your hand, just go around like this and just trying to, that is up to you. You want to get it round or just do it oval, and that's what I like to do. And don't be too thick because the potato is not going to cook, and also not too thin because it's going to burn so fast. So it's about like a 1/8 of an inch or just a 4 millimeter that is going to be good. I like to make a hole in the middle, so we just everywhere is going to get the heat. And then gonna make sure your oil is hot enough that you put in there is right away start cooking. Otherwise it's just gonna eat all the oils. So this way it's gonna make it cook faster and use less oil. So I think our oil is ready, and I'm just gonna go lay it down like this. So I'm gonna make the rest of them just in case. If you need, you can put just a little bit warm water in another pan and just put your hand in there a little bit, not to just to stick to your hand. Then you go one after another. So you can put just 4 or 5 at a time, but make a little bit time between till the oil get hot again, because otherwise if it's not hot enough, it's not cooking well. Okay, so I'm gonna make a couple more, and then I show you the result after I finish. So obviously when it gets one side it cooks, you turn around and just let the other side cooks too. Okay, here's the final production and a presentation. It's ready to eat, and as you see, it turned out very nice and beautiful. You can garnish it with some turnips, basil, pickle, cucumber pickle, and obviously tomato. You can eat it with the bread. You can eat it with make a nice sandwich out of it, or you can eat it with the rice that I already told you how to make it. And thank you very much to watching our show, and see you next time.